Subject and object pronouns. Mastering pronoun usage. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will be delving into an essential aspect of grammar: subject and object pronouns. Understanding how to use these pronouns correctly is crucial for effective communication in English. So let's dive in and explore the world of subject and object pronouns. Subject pronouns are used when the pronoun acts as the subject of a sentence or clause. Subject pronouns replace nouns that perform the action in a sentence. Let's take a look at the common subject pronouns in English. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Subject pronouns are used in sentences like, I love to learn new languages. You are a talented English learner. He is studying for his exams. She enjoys reading books. It is raining outside. We are going to the park. They won the game. Remember, subject pronouns always come before the verb in a sentence and serve as the doer of the action. Object pronouns, on the other hand, are used when the pronoun acts as the object of a verb, preposition, or infinitive phrase. Object pronouns replace nouns that receive the action in a sentence. Let's explore the commonly used object pronouns in English. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Object pronouns are used in sentences like, the teacher is helping me with my homework. Can you pass the book to him? She is inviting us to her party. I saw them at the mall. Remember, object pronouns usually come after the verb or preposition in a sentence and serve as the receiver of the action. It's important to understand the distinction between subject and object pronouns. Subject pronouns are used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence, while object pronouns are used when the pronoun is the object of the verb or preposition. Let's compare subject and object pronouns in a few examples. I, subject pronoun. Love you, object pronoun. She, subject pronoun. Saw him, object pronoun. We, subject pronoun, are going with them, object pronoun. Remember, subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence, and object pronouns are used as the object of a verb or preposition. To further understand subject and object pronouns, let's see how they are used in sentences. She, subject pronoun, is a great friend. I trust her, object pronoun. We, subject pronoun, are going to the park. Would you like to join us? Object pronoun. He, subject pronoun, loves playing the guitar. They admire him, object pronoun. Subject pronouns and object pronouns work together to provide clear and concise communication. Using them correctly helps avoid repetition and adds fluency to your English speech. Congratulations! You have now learned the basics of subject and object pronouns. Remember to use subject pronouns when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence, and object pronouns